Imagine sitting down at your computer, typing just a few words, and watching as your ideas come to life before your eyes. With a simple prompt, you can see a computer paint a stunning landscape, filled with colors and details you might never have thought of yourself. This is the magic of AI art, technology and creativity working together to make something truly unique. AI art is a brand new way of making art, where artificial intelligence helps us create things we never thought possible. It's not just a tool, but a creative partner that can surprise us with its imagination. Imagine having a creative partner who listens to your ideas, understands your vision, and then helps you turn those ideas into reality, sometimes in ways you never expected. This new technology is exciting because it opens up a world of possibilities for everyone, not just professional artists. Now anyone can experiment, play, and create. You don't need years of training or expensive supplies. With AI, anyone can be an artist, whether you're a child doodling on a tablet or an adult exploring your creative side for the first time. Want to see a cat flying through space or a dragon made of clouds? Just type it in, and AI can bring your wildest ideas to life in seconds. Maybe you had a dream that felt impossible to describe. Now you can turn that dream into a painting, a digital sculpture, or even an animation, all with the help of AI. AI can make it happen, instantly transforming your thoughts into visual masterpieces. It's like having a magic brush that can paint anything you can imagine, no matter how complex or fantastical. But AI art isn't just about making pretty pictures. It's about exploring new ideas, challenging what we think art can be, and starting conversations about creativity and technology. Artists and creators are using AI to push the boundaries of what's possible, experimenting with new forms like augmented reality, virtual reality, and interactive installations. This technology allows us to collaborate with machines, blending human intuition with artificial intelligence, and seeing the world through a completely different lens. AI art is still in its early stages, but it's already changing the way we think about art, creativity, and what it means to be an artist. The future is wide open and anyone can be a part of it. So how does AI actually create art? The process is both fascinating and surprisingly complex, blending technology, creativity, and a bit of human magic. Today, machines are not just tools for artists. They're collaborators, capable of generating images that can surprise even their creators. It all starts with data. Imagine feeding a computer millions of images, from classical paintings to modern photographs. These images become the building blocks for the AI's understanding of art. The more diverse and rich the data set, the more nuanced the AI's creations can be. This data isn't just limited to famous works. It can include sketches, doodles, and even photographs from everyday life. The AI learns from these images, recognizing patterns, styles, and compositions. It analyzes brushstrokes, color palettes, and the way light and shadow interact. Through a process called machine learning, the AI gradually builds a complex map of what makes each piece of art unique. It's like giving the machine a visual language, one it can use to express itself. It's like teaching a child to paint by showing them thousands of masterpieces. The more examples the AI sees, the better it gets at understanding the subtle differences between styles, like the swirling energy of Van Gogh or the delicate realism of Vermeer. Over time, the AI develops its own sense of style, shaped by the images it studied. Once the AI has learned from this data, it can start creating its own images. It doesn't just copy what it's seen, it combines elements in new ways, inventing original compositions that have never existed before. This is where the magic of generative art comes alive, as the AI draws on its vast knowledge to produce something truly unique. You can give it specific instructions like paint a portrait in the style of Van Gogh or create an abstract image using warm colors. The AI interprets your prompts, translating your words into visual ideas. You might ask for a futuristic cityscape, a dreamy landscape, or a surreal portrait, and the AI will do its best to bring your vision to life, often in ways you might not expect. The AI then uses its knowledge to generate a unique piece of art based on your input. Each time you run the process, the results can be different, reflecting both the randomness of the algorithms and the richness of the data it has learned from. This unpredictability is part of what makes AI art so exciting. No two pieces are ever exactly the same. But the real magic happens when you add your own creative touch. After the AI generates an image, you can step in as the artist, refining and enhancing the work. Maybe you adjust the composition, tweak the colors, or add new elements by hand. This collaboration between human and machine opens up endless possibilities for creativity. You can refine the AI's output, adjusting colors, shapes, and textures. With digital tools, you can experiment freely, undoing, redoing, and layering effects until the artwork feels just right. This process allows you to blend your own artistic instincts with the AI's suggestions, resulting in a piece that's truly one of a kind. It's like having a conversation with the AI, guiding its creative process to achieve your desired vision. You might go back and forth, tweaking prompts or making adjustments until the artwork matches what you imagined, or even surprises you with something better. This dialogue between human and machine is at the heart of modern digital art. You can even combine different AI-generated elements to create completely new and unexpected compositions. By merging multiple images, layering textures, or blending styles, you can push the boundaries of what's possible, inventing art that feels fresh and original. This collaborative process means that you don't need to be a technical expert to create stunning AI art. The tools are becoming more accessible every day, allowing anyone with a spark of curiosity to experiment and create. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, AI can help you unlock new forms of expression. It's all about your imagination and how you choose to use the tools at your disposal. With AI as your creative partner, the only real limit is your own curiosity and willingness to explore. The future of art is a collaboration between human vision and machine intelligence, working together to create something truly extraordinary. The rise of AI art has sparked a lot of debate, not just among artists and technologists, but also among everyday people who are fascinated, inspired, or even unsettled by what artificial intelligence can create. As AI-generated images, music, and even poetry become more common, society is being forced to confront questions that once seemed like science fiction. These developments have raised important ethical questions that go far beyond the art world. People are asking, what does it mean for something to be called art if it was made by a machine? Is the creative process still meaningful if it's driven by algorithms and data, rather than human emotion and experience? One of the biggest questions is, can AI be truly creative, or is it just following instructions? Creativity has always been seen as a uniquely human trait, tied to our ability to imagine, feel, and express ourselves. But now, as AI systems produce works that surprise even their creators, the line between imitation and innovation is becoming increasingly blurred. Some argue that AI is simply mimicking the data it was trained on, remixing existing styles and ideas without any true understanding or intent. They see AI as a tool, powerful, yes, but ultimately limited to what humans have already done. On the other hand, others believe that AI can generate truly original and thought-provoking art, sometimes even pushing creative boundaries in ways humans might not have considered. This has led to heated debates about what originality really means and whether machines can ever possess it. Another major concern is ownership. If an AI creates a piece of art, who owns the copyright? Is it the person who designed the AI, the one who provided the prompts, or someone else entirely? The law is still catching up to these new realities, and there are few clear answers. Some say the person who programmed the AI should be credited, since they built the system that made the art possible. Others argue that the person who provided the input or creative direction deserves recognition, since their ideas shaped the final result. And then there's the provocative question, could the AI itself ever have a claim to ownership, or even be considered an artist in its own right? While this might sound far-fetched, it's a topic that's being seriously discussed in both legal and philosophical circles. These are complex legal and philosophical questions that we're still grappling with, and the answers may shape the future of art, technology, and even our understanding of creativity itself. Finally, there are concerns about the impact of AI art on human artists. Many worry that as AI becomes more capable, it could threaten the livelihoods of painters, illustrators, and other creatives who have spent years honing their craft. Will AI replace human creativity and put artists out of work? Or will it simply change the way artists work, opening up new possibilities for collaboration and innovation? The fear of being replaced is real, but so is the excitement about what new forms of art might emerge. While it's true that AI can automate certain artistic tasks, such as generating backgrounds or experimenting with color palettes, it still lacks the intuition, emotion, and personal experience that human artists bring to their work. it's unlikely to replace the human touch altogether. Instead, AI is more likely to become a powerful tool, one that artists can use to enhance their own creativity, experiment with new techniques, and reach audiences in ways that were never before possible. Rather than seeing AI as a threat, many artists are beginning to see it as a collaborator, a partner that can help them push the boundaries of what art can be. As we move forward, the relationship between humans and AI and art will continue to evolve, challenging us to rethink our definitions of creativity, originality, and artistic value. Rather than seeing AI as a threat, we should embrace the potential for collaboration between humans and machines in art. AI can be a powerful tool for artists, helping them to overcome creative blocks, explore new styles, and bring their wildest imaginations to life. Imagine an architect using AI to generate countless design variations for a building, or a musician collaborating with AI to compose a symphony. AI can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might miss, leading to new and unexpected artistic discoveries. This collaboration is not just about efficiency, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art. By combining the strengths of human creativity and AI's computational power, we can create art that is both technically impressive and emotionally resonant. The future of art lies in this partnership, where humans and machines work together to create something truly extraordinary. The impact of AI art is already being felt across various industries. Museums are starting to exhibit AI-generated art, challenging traditional notions of what constitutes art and sparking important conversations about the role of technology and creativity. Businesses are also embracing AI art, using it to create eye-catching marketing materials, design unique products, and enhance brand experiences. Imagine personalized advertisements that adapt to your individual preferences, or products designed with AI-generated patterns and textures that are unique to you. But the real revolution is happening at the individual level. With AI art tools becoming more accessible, anyone can unleash their inner artist and create personalized art for their homes, social media, and even clothing. Imagine turning your family photos into Renaissance-style portraits or generating unique designs for your own t-shirts and phone cases. AI art is democratizing creativity, giving everyone the power to express themselves artistically, regardless of their background or technical skills. The future of AI art is bright and full of possibilities. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and awe-inspiring art forms emerge. We are entering a new era of artistic expression, where the lines between human and machine creativity are blurring, leading to a richer and more diverse art world. It's important to approach this new frontier with both excitement and a healthy dose of critical thinking. We need to address the ethical challenges, ensure that AI art is used responsibly, and create a future where both human and machine creativity can thrive. Ultimately, AI art is a reflection of ourselves. It's a tool that we can use to explore our creativity, push boundaries, and create art that is both meaningful and inspiring. Let's embrace this new era of art with open minds and a shared passion for creativity. The future of art is collaborative, and it's waiting to be shaped by both humans and machines working together. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of AI art, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more inspiring content.